much on the beat.
Hi guys, so don't mind the lighting, but I do want to give an intro to this house tour because I actually forgot to do it. So yeah, just a little update. So in the last vlog I was saying that I was reached out to by a broker, and then I officially moved in on my birthday, October 10th, and it's very different. This is my first time moving out, and this is my first apartment ever, and I was the type of person to be like, oh, you know, I would only want to move out if I'm buying a house, but girl, I'm 25 now and I need to go. But yeah, it's very different living on my own. It's different having neighbors that are not your family member, because you be hearing them fucking. I'm like, oh my god, this is new. Yeah, like you be hearing moans and stuff, but I guess but yeah, I'm happy. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, subscribe, because I'm pretty sure you always want to see my content, you know, and we could grow together. And I'm on a journey to 5K subscribers. So yeah, hit that bell notification button so you're always notified when I post a video, and join the family. Okay guys, so I'm not using my camera today, but we're using my phone, and I'm just gonna do an empty apartment tour. So right now they're just moving things in. So let's get into the bathroom. This is the shower. And the toilet, and then the mirror. I'm gonna take my selfies in here. So the bathroom is cute and cozy. We're getting into this, I don't know what that is, water heater, I'm guessing. But you can use it as a closet for your broom and dustpan. Here is bedroom number 1. I personally do not like brick, but my salon actually has brick as well. But I love the high ceilings. So that's just the door. And then here's the closet. The closet has some good spacing in it, because I do have a lot of clothes and shoes. The living room's pretty big. It's an open floor plan. So that's the living room. Don't know how I'm gonna decorate it yet, but whatevs. And then we have this second bedroom, the same brick interior. I think it's called exposed brick. It's a pretty good size. I think I'm gonna use this for my beauty room or an extra room. And then they have this closet. And the ceilings are high also. And I think this is for cable, I'm not sure, but that needs to get fixed. I love that we could control the temperature. I showed you the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. I love the black and white interior decorating. So bomb. And I like the marbles. Countertops. Stove. And I finally have a dishwasher. I never had a dishwasher growing up. How do you open this? Oh. And then the fridge. So we're all moved in, and this is like day 3. But today's the day we're gonna start unpacking, and we have a lot of boxes, which makes no sense. Do not mind my voice, I just woke up. But yeah, this is what we have to deal with right now. And then once everything gets under control, I'm going to show you guys what's next. And then we're gonna get into decorating.